Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make resume using LibreOffice Writer. Now, from here, it's actually quite interesting. So you're going to head over to File, New, and then you have the templates or you have the shortcut here. I'm going to click this one, and from here we're going to look for resume. So this is the resume by default that they have here. So if you want to open it, you can click this one right here, and there you go. So from here, go ahead and make some changes, such as your name here. I'm just going to go ahead and type here like so. And yeah, you basically can change everything here. So this is the template that is already available here in LibreOffice. So I want you to go ahead and fill in everything. And once you're done, go ahead and save this one as PDF. So you can click this one right here and then click the export button right here and name this resume. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the save button right here and then head over to find that particular file here. And there you go. So I'm gonna click this and it should look like this if it has been exported already in PDF. So yeah, that's a template that's available here in LibreOffice. Hopefully you're gonna be using it.